Nature. Austin, you're ruining it. I see dead people. They're not like us. They're not like us. They're not like us. Yo, it's not frozen. Tree. Oh my god, there's a tree. Oh my god, there's a stranger.
You want to check out my dance?
No. I wear a mask with a smile for hours at a time. Do a flip. It's a Bigfoot. Oh my gosh. It's totally not a human. Oh my gosh, it's big. This is the first time I've touched grass since I was 3 minutes old. Oh my. I should have known better if I had a wish. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe, or else I'll be locked in my basement forever.